This video will explain to you how to set the privacy settings for iOS devices. So please click on the three dots here in your app overview. Then go to Consent Push and Analytics by clicking here. And the first entry already is the privacy settings, so please open this accordion menu. And now we have a lot of settings here. Usually it's enough to just select the SDKs you're using. So for example, my app is using Firebase, and I'm obliged to activate this in the privacy settings. So the first thing to do is I need to make sure that the privacy dialog is enabled while the app starts. This will be shown once, so that the reader or user can either decide to opt in or out. This is required. And then I have the opportunity to additionally, before this opt-in window appears, to show an HTML dialog where you can explain a little bit more in detail why the data is needed and being tracked by you. So if you want to make use of that, please enable this checkbox as well, and then configure a path for the HTML info, because it is displayed in HTML just once for the first start. And usually the standard default is system consent, and in there is an index HTML, which you can edit freely to make it more appealing to your design, or you can just use our standard setup for the consent page. The final step which needs to be done is that you then select carefully the SDKs which are relevant for you. So in my case, I have to enable Firebase here because I use a more in-depth tracking with analytics, and therefore I need to activate this here. Would I also make use of something like Airship, then I would also need to activate this. Please be aware that if you check this and the user is opting out, the SDK will be totally deactivated for your app, and there is no way of changing this without a submit. So please be very, very careful while setting these and make sure that the settings are correct. After having set everything correctly, please make sure at the end of the page to save your settings and then rebuild the app once to make it available with the new settings. Thank you.